Alright, so we got this 350 ready to go back in this 71 Jimmy. So we're going to try to get her ready and drop her in there and get her going. So that's what we're going to try to do. Maybe, possibly, perhaps. What do you think?
Okay. We're cruising today.
Alright. We're close. Just ain't got no cigars yet. No. Hang on, we'll have it. Alright, so we're pretty daggone close here. I guess we'll try to put some motor mount bolts in there and then wiggle the tranny around and see if we can get it hooked up, but I guess pretty close to being able to start slinging parts at it. Alright, so we got it all in here. We ran out of day. We got the negative battery cable to hook up right here. Of course, the positive battery cable, which is just a matter of sticking it on the terminal. The distributor cap and plug wires. And Zach's got to get the gas out the gas tank because it's smells like lacquer thinner. And then should probably fire up.
Air box. No, I don't need it.
You won't need that for a first fire up.
Nah. Just looks good.
Well, I mean, you can put it on there.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. That's what it's going to look like. So, till next time, I guess. Alright, so we got the high torque mini starter on there and put a heat shield on it. Got the header back on there. Let's see what we got here. Got a dead battery from playing with the lights the other day. That's no help. So we got some panels too. We got front and rear cab supports, the rear passenger side rear fender bottom, inner and outer rockers, passenger side cab corner, and we got the front fender bottom somewhere. It escaped me. Inner door bottom. And the front fender bottom there. So the driver's side cab corner's on back order. So might see about sourcing it from somewhere else. But that's what we got. My cousin built him a shelf to put all his parts on because his truck blew up. still learning this fuel injection. Still got a header leak. Can you tell which tube it's coming on? Where are they for? That stinks by that header gasket. That thing is a pretty nice gasket, but it was hard as crap getting on there. Sounds like crap. Alright, so I've got a pinhole in my power steering pump and the seal's leaking and the pulley's bent. So I guess I'm gonna need to source a power steering pump. It looks like this one was modified. It looks like a regular pump with a filler on it was modified with this remote neck. I've got a short pump at home with probably a good pulley, but it's got the filler on this. So unless I modified it, I mean, I don't know how easy it'd be to get one like this. So I need to check and see on that, and it's always something. So fix one problem, didn't fix another problem, another problem arose. So anyhow, I need to go to the house, so I'm gonna call it a day. Maybe come back another day. All right, y'all.